back to another vlog. Today is June 2nd, 2017 at nandito kami ngayon sa Pino Restaurant kasi graduation na anak ng cousin ko, which is my nephew, and they are celebrating it here dito sa sa Pino Restaurant. So wala pa sila ngayon dito kasi sobrang traffic doon sa may amin. And let me show you their food. I think they chose this food siguro kasi exclusive siya para sa amin. Is beef caldereta, main dish. Beef caldereta, pork adobo roll. This is buttered fried chicken, spaghetti bolognese, which is wala pa, fish fillet with escabeche sauce and watermelon. This one is chop suey. There you go. This is plain rice and tocino rice. Plain rice, tocino rice. This is halaan soup. The talapa, fresh oyster, and green salad with Asian dressing. Talaba! So here is the pork amigo ribs. And cassava cake, wala pang buchi. So yun, this is the place, the function room. Hi ma! This is the place. Yan, I think this is good for 100 siguro, 100 persons. And ito yung inaanak. Bachelor in Science in Medical Technology. So, ayun. Oh. There is the fresh lumpia. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya marunong maglagay ng wing eyeliner. Ipakita sila, be. Alam ko na mo? Oo, alam. Unsa o sila? Siya marunong mag-wing eyeliner, kaya ayun, naputol yung wing niya. Ay, gipapot ko, namulog na. Naputol. There you go. These are the rest of the family. Filipino. Lombrog Pando. Love na ewan. Ay! Live. Nandun yung graduate. Si Mark. Correct lagi nga naman niya. Uy, Neymar. Guys, so I am already home. Actually, kanina pa kami nakauwi dito sa bahay. At pasensya na sa aking maputing mukha. Ewan ko. Kasi parang nag-allergy ako ng aking isang sabon na ginamit. Pero anyway, nandito na kami sa bahay. At matutulog na ako. Kakahilamos ko lang. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga makeup na nilagay ko kanina. But anyway, yun nga. Congratulations pala kay Marco Eric or kay Mac, yung nephew ko, yung pamangkin ko. And yeah, and to the proud parents as well. Congratulations, Manay Erwin at Ate Monin. Yun, proud na proud kami sa inyo dahil meron na mga nakatapos sa aming pamilya. So, ayun na guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you, thank you. And I'll be having a giveaway soon kasi it's my birth month. And yun na. So, good night. Bye!